YouTube Premium lets you watch videos without ads, download them for offline viewing, and use YouTube Music. With family sharing, you can share these perks with up to 5 family members in the same household using one subscription. It's a great option for families who want an uninterrupted YouTube experience and want to save money. This guide shows you how to set up YouTube Premium family sharing. So, in order to set it up, go ahead and open your YouTube application. You need to have the YouTube Premium. And if you don't have YouTube Premium yet, you can sign up through the YouTube app or at youtube.com/premium. Family sharing feature requires the YouTube Premium family plan, not the individual plan. So you need to access the YouTube account settings. Tap on your profile picture, go to your profile, tap on the settings icon in the top right corner, and then go ahead and tap on purchases and membership, that is between notifications and bills and payments. Now start family sharing. Tap on manage membership, set up family sharing, and you will need to confirm your home address. All family members must leave at the same address and enter the email address of the family members you want to invite, and they'll get an invitation link by email. And once they accept, you'll have the YouTube Premium access. You can remove or invite members again whenever you want. So that's it for this video. I hope you found this helpful. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.